show you what it do. Oye, loco, escúchame bien. Si puedo lograr todo, pues tú puedes también. Ahora tengo carros, ahora tengo casas, ahora todo está fluido como sangre de la raza. Let me introduce you to the reason.
What's up, fam, and welcome back to another video. So I'm not doing a historical video of any town or anything in this video, but I'm going to show you guys what a Colombian car wash is like. Now, the one I'm about to show you is not how all the car washes are in the country. This is just how one of the car washes are that I'm going to, right? Because you have car washes in the malls, in the parking garage of the malls. You have car washes at the gas stations. The one I'm going to is actually located in like a shopping center, not in like it's like a Walmart type area, like a parking lot, right? It's pretty good. I mean, it gets the job done. But at the same time, I want to show you guys that there are car washes out here, and you know how it functions, how it runs. You know what I'm saying? They have motorcycle washes. Maybe in another video I'll show you guys about motorcycle wash. I don't have a motorcycle or nothing, but I know some people who do, and then you can check it out. But for the purpose of this video, I'm showing you what car washes are like, what they look like. And yeah, so as you can see, my car is dirty, and let's see how they clean it up. So let's get it. Let's
just take your go out, wake up, man, this life is a blur. Everyone's got an opinion, so which one you prefer? Cause I'll give you one that's coming from an entrepreneur. Don't give up on your dream if it's what you deserve. Failure ain't an option, so I'd be cautious. I hope that you're watching. Don't try to stop this, work until I'm nauseous. Cause I will not quit, no, because I want this. Don't try to stop me, failure ain't an option, so I'd be cautious. I hope that you're...
¿Cómo estás?
Bien, ¿cómo te fue?
Bien, bien, gracias.
¿Qué podemos servirlo hoy?
Pues está normalito, pero está lloviendo.
No importa, pues eso es bueno. Pero la lava bien, lo deja lavado para que la lluvia lo agarre limpio.
Yeah, man, so I'm at the car wash. So as you can see, it's a big parking lot. There are a lot of cars being washed. It's actually starting to rain, but I need to get it washed, man, so it don't matter. So over here you can see it's a store called Metro. So this is like a store that sells appliances, refrigerators, groceries. Let's say it's like a grocery store that sells appliances, right? It's a supermarket. And this car wash is actually located in the parking lot area of the supermarket. So while I wait, I'm going to go inside the supermarket, see what they have. Maybe I buy me a snack or just look around, you know what I'm saying, instead of just sitting over there. So let's go in the supermarket.
You and me, and how careless we could be.
All day and all night, we'd stay up, it felt so right. We were so young, we were so dumb. We would get drunk and then hook up. We were okay, we were alright, staying awake till the sunrise. We were in love, couldn't stop us, like a good drug, never enough. We hook up in my car, driving so far, play your guitar, you'd show me your art, let down our guards, think with our hearts, stare at the stars. We were never apart, drinking too young, way too much fun, out in the sun, or pain when it's gone. Took you to prom, dance to our song, dance all night long till the lights come on.
man, I come outside and it just start raining, bro. Damn. I don't even know why I'm washing the car now, but that junk was dirty. So let me go ahead and show you guys what I bought.
And how careless we could be. And how careless we could be. And how careless we could be.
I actually picked up like some Oreo chocolate balls, and then I'm like, man, that's gonna destroy my teeth. I put it back and got the peanuts. So I'm about to snack on this while I wait, and let's see how they're doing right now with the car. Man, I'm over here waiting by the wall. Pouring down, man. I don't know if you could tell through the camera. It ain't pouring down hard like, but it's coming down. And I'm standing here. But as you saw in the store, it's like a regular store, you know, very modern, very up to date, just like anything you see in the US, in Europe, you know what I'm saying? But it was cool. Walked around, out here now eating some peanuts, drinking some water, waiting for them to finish wash the car. So he's moving the car now. I guess he's gonna set it up or dry it off or get to the inside. I don't know, let's walk over there and see what's good.
It's too late now, I remember everything, and how careless we could be, and how careless we could be, and how careless we could be.
So I hope you enjoyed that. That's pretty much it. A short video, small video. I whistled. A short video, small video to show you guys something. It's pouring down rain in here, as you can see. But I needed to get the car washed, man. Also, I didn't know it was going to rain before I drove out. Since I was already out, I was like, I'll wash the car. But it's looking clean. Yeah, so stay tuned, subscribe to the channel, and I'm trying to bring you guys more things about related to Colombia. Of course, you know I'm doing the historical videos and everything, you know. Let me get out of here real quick. Yeah, so of course you guys already know I'm doing the historical videos, so I want you to stay tuned for that and subscribe to the channel, and I am out.
But you're never gonna make it. Are you just gonna take that? Make them take it all back. Don't tell me you believe that. Are you just gonna take that?